Today I'm going to make 221 ribs on my Green Mountain pellet grill. This method is perfect for baby back ribs. They come out tender and flavorful, and these ribs still have a little bite to them. Start by patting the ribs dry and adding some yellow mustard for a binder. I'm going to use two kinds of seasonings today. First my all-purpose rub, and then my sweet barbecue rub. Get these on the pellet grill at 225 for 2 hours. I didn't even look at these for 2 hours, no spritz or anything. After 2 hours, pull them from the smoker. You're going to add some butter to the meat side of the ribs and a touch more seasoning, and wrap them up tightly in foil. You're going to get these back on the smoker for 2 more hours with the meat side down. Again, no need to even open the smoker for the next 2 hours. Now remove the foil and get them back on the smoker for 1 final hour, meat side up. Add your favorite barbecue sauce a couple times during the last 30 minutes. Let them rest for 10 minutes and then cut them up and enjoy these 221 baby back ribs. These things look so good and they taste even better. Follow along and see what I make next.